on you, Nate.
Not there.
Yeah, because we're going to take time.
I might. Come on, fellas.
You can even make time for
Huh? Hold up.
Or you can just sell my house and stay, Benny. You can just come my house and stay. You know, only thing you want to do is just tell her to be with you. You're like, Nate.
Put it up there?
Yeah.
I say so.
He goes. Manny, you take out our carriage. He goes. Yeet. Really?
How does he don't? How in the heck does he get that up in a tree? Benny,
I didn't even hit the water.
are you tree fishing, Benny? Are you tree fishing?
I'm a Houdini, bud.
Houdini, buddy.
Make sure if you say anything funny, speak louder because the camera's kind of farther away.
Dude, Benny.
Benny.
What?
How,
Don't
man?
look up. Might get you in the fucking eye. Get the fuck out!
You might have to cut her.
Fuck you and your white horse.
Hey, we're not supposed to say that.
Oh, dude. Oh, my.
Hey, tree fish.
He got big on me.
I got him.
He got him,
No,
man.
it's stuck in the tree still.
Yeah.
Benny sucks it.
He's a good boy. He's a good. I'm coming like
Benny's no problem.
Fishing in knee deep mud.
Hey, wait a minute. How far did Benny make over there?
Oh, he
I
might.
mean, I was over there when his mom pulled up. I was like, ah, shit. I started running.
Hey,
down. I
get the
tripped on
camera
it.
so we can.
You see that root right there?
Yeah.
I tripped on it.
Benny over a tree. You don't have to go that far.
Benny. Woohoo. Seth. Dalton. Then me.
Oh, dude, what's going on?
You're stuck in the tree.
Why is this thing so tight? What?
I'm fly fishing.
Dude, I don't know if I got something on or not. It's pretty tight. I don't know what I got on here. Oh, there it goes. Had it right. Dude, we'll just bounce right there. Oh.
Dog, you gotta clean those off. We should have brought your mud boots.
Fuck, look at my boots.
Yeah, the more you gotta bring your mud boots. Shh. Hey,
Benny,
hey,
I'm over you.
hey, guess what? He nickel cost. He done something. Remember?
Oh, here we go, boys.
We got 3 idiots fishing.
Oh! Look at Seth. I got that on video.
Think you can swim?
I got that on video.
Of course you had it on video. Dumbass, where you doing that shit?
That stank weird.
Hey,
It
somebody.
went down. I turned bad, real bad.
That did turn bad. Now I need to some pair or something.
Any person, God said.
Come over and step in it one time.
I didn't get a rag my shoes off. You think your mom will let me wet my boots off?
No, man, the boots fine. Get them out in there and wipe them off.
Then you gotta get right back in it. Why don't you wait till you get...
Yeah.
Hey, Benny, why don't you wait till we get up there and do it?
Hey, well, no, when we go to the other place, there's a good creek back there that you ain't got in the mud.
Where we gonna go?
Down there. I did not make it. I did. I almost made it behind that thing. Foot stole mine. Took a good swim almost.
I wonder how much test that line is. Everybody go grab. Hang on. Wait, this is the real polarized challenge.
Make sure you take a video, everybody. Like to make sure you get everybody.
Sugar, yes, you video, motherfucker. Look at old gay Benny. Old buddy Benny.
Oh, Benny's hooked up on nothing.
On my nuts.
About like always.
Me and my bulldog over here.
Bingo! Got your good.
Oh.
Fucking tackle box is rolling. Oh, is it?
The only thing he's gotta do is go
I'm
swimming.
gonna tell you,
I'm going swimming.
He's in the water.
I'm going swimming if that happens, man. That's a lot of bait.
Then we have to go get the truck and hook him up. Ah!
I'm gonna change this out. You got anything I can do?
I'm getting
I'm going to go top water bait here.
You got anything I can, anything I can reel up in here?
God, look at mine.
Something that you
Whoa!
can't, something you can't lose. What can't you lose?
Don't
I
do
ain't
it.
lost
That's
this yet.
expensive. That's expensive.
I lost it. I ain't lost
Here you
this.
go. You can use this.
Don't fishing, Benny fishing, and Seth fishing.
Well, Benny, you got, go show camera what you got on.
Hey, you sit right there. I'm gonna catch me a big ass bite for this one, bitch.
I'm about to go some top water bait on.
What are you fishing with?
What you fishing on?
Top water.
Top water, I'm going to use my mouth.
Tell me what you dipping on.
Long cut.
What are you
Pouch.
using over there?
Pouches.
Top water?
Did y'all hear that?
What kind?
Water, baby.
My hand's getting cold now.
Huh?
I like frogs.
Well, Dalton's got a combination on he don't even know over.
Whoop.
I like frogs. Frogs is the best thing you fucking use.
Yeah.
I'm using a pink mouse. I'll show you here in a few minutes.
I'm gonna give me a pick on mouse. Mouse. You cocksucking slut.
Oh my god. Dude, we should have brought a fool. We should have brought a fool down here. Ah! We'll probably end up in there.
That's what I got on. It floats until you reel it in. Whatever it is.
Oh, yeah, one of them crank baits.
Cranker.
Crank, yeah.
Dalton, your
That's a
boots.
little old crank
Your
bait there.
boots. I gotta check.
Dakota's gonna have to come down here me or zoom in or something because I can't get up to him. I'm pretty much stuck.
Hey, I'm not getting down there.
And Benny's standing on my line. I'm about to punch 11 out.
Hey, you wanna go up there and get some stripes?
Hey, that's fucking cold, dude.
Hey, dude, I wish you got my line.
Hey, on you fucking lying.
There you are.
Maybe I am, my man.
Oh, look at Dalton. He caught a fish.
You go hook me up here. Hook me up here.
I ain't moving. You me go get some. You me go get something.
Well, here's what I'm using here. Got a little jigger bow in it. We're gonna see how she does. I don't think she's gonna do very well in here, but we ain't using much good anyway.
Dude, oh my god, he just almost broke his. Dude.
Shit, they come apart.
Oh! Ah!
Look at Benny. Dude, look at Benny.
He pretty much hooked.
Everything I couldn't
Dalton, you ain't gonna be able to get that. I'm serious.
I'm just glad.
Pull on the eye, don't pull in your fishing pole.
You put this in this bitch in the water set.
Your fishing thing's tangled all up.
He gonna take this Dakota so I don't kick her in. Put her on that tree up high. He go. It's pretty muddy down here, man.
We should have known it was gonna be muddy. We should have knew it was gonna be muddy like this. Dude, my truck wouldn't be able to pull us out.
My fingers are too cold, dude.
Yeah. Let's go put some pull. Dude, you gonna have to cut her. Oh, you gotta make Benny swim over and get her.
Here you go, let me
Fuck
step
that!
No, I ain't doing that.
Don't.
Raise it up and dig it a little bit.
Let me see that phone move to it.
I'm not moving.
Jiggle it up a little bit.
Don't drop it. It's not waterproof. What?
Well, we're sitting here fishing. It's kind of hard. This thing's got some good action on it. Here you go, Benny. You want to video it? Let's
Sure.
look at this action.
Whoa, boy!
That's it. It's wrapped around there.
Look at
I
that
got
action
another
on
one
it.
of those. It just ain't the same color.
Here's some action. We're gonna throw out. I just seen a fish roll.
Well, bye, bait.
Bye.
Hope you have a nice life.
They're on some. They're on it. I don't know how.
I don't think we're gonna have much luck, boys.
It's pretty cold down here.
We're gonna have to go.
Look, it's a little up, a little
Little
flooded,
up.
a little bit.
A little
We
fuzzy.
just got about
Too muddy.
we got about 5 fucking foot of rain.
No, man. I just threw out on my expensive bait. Threw it over a tree.
Yeah. So you can see the life we have.
Look at that pink one right there hanging in that tree.
Damn!
Dude, I think I just.
Here, old DK.
Follow it. Follow it.
About to cast me a big one.
We're,
Here, I'll put this bitch right in my nuts here.
we're probably gonna cast a couple more times. We're probably gonna leave.
Alright, boys. Y'all gotta get me there.
Dude, he's got it. Dude, don't drop it. I'm serious.
Well, we're gonna see a couple more casts here. We're gonna see what we can catch.
Go!
Oh,
Yeah, I got you. Hey, give me your fucking, give me your fucking body.
Hey, well, I thought I could stay.
Hold up, Benny. I'm something right there, buddy.
Just wipe it on something. Wipe it on my jacket. It's old
Let's
anyways.
see what we can catch here.
I'm gonna take it off anyways. And use it for a
Yeah.
jacket.
Ain't working. Pull that down.
We need to bring some
Come
paper
on, put
towels.
my sweatshirt up. That's new.
We ain't had much luck, so we're about to go play some pool.
Yeah, we're gonna play some pool. We can wash our hands
Oh
after.
my!
Dude!
No!
Dude! I didn't get the.
Ah! How about this lost
Head on.
expensive, mate?
I can't hold it.
Wow. You'll be fine. My hands like
Me
that.
just told you.
I wouldn't go down that, Dalton. I'm serious. Dalton.
Yeah, dog, don't step no farther, Randy. You're dead. You're dead.
Hey, don't do me a favor. Step one more foot.
Yeah, step one more foot yourself.
Oh,
No,
shit.
keep going, a little bit farther.
You gotta get close to the
I
end.
so I.
Get the full blood experience.
No, I can't do it.
Nobody say nothing about it. I'm about to call my mom. Everybody says we wanna go play some pool.
Seth, you wanna go to a titty bar?
How the heck yeah? Okay, how you do it?
Yeah,
So.
boy, I love it.
Are we done? End it. Don't end it.
I ain't
You don't.
needed it. Yeah, oh shit. Not again.
Grab my body. I'm taking it off anyways. Hey. That'd be fun.
Oh, take that bait off before you lose it, man. If you lose it, I'm gonna be mad.
Because it's freaking stuck in the tree. Oh, look at Seth. He's stuck in the tree too.
I'm stuck in the same one.
Hey, what you been thinking?
Well, I'll have to go.
At least you can test out the bait. See how much they want it.
Watch out, everybody. Dang, dude.
Fucking up more.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey baby.
Oh, no. No. No!
Hold it above your head, jiggle.
No, dude. It's my expensive
Oh, yeah.
bait.
Hey Benny.
First time ever using this bait right here, yes.
Well, let's get to use the bait.
And it looks like it's done for.
I won't cut it. Make Benny swim.
Fuck that.
Okay. Let's give me a hand here. I'm gonna try to get this thing out before I break it off. Probably gonna break out anyways.
I'm gonna move.
My drag's already.
Oh! Shit, Sam.
Yay!
Benny!
Fuck that. Fuck that out there.
No, swim time.
Where's the line at?
Shit!
Looks like you built yourself.
I think it's about time for us to leave.
I done shit it!
Hey, you want me to turn this off?